In this video, I'll be upgrading my RAM to 16 gigabytes. Let's get into it. To upgrade RAM, you have to open up the side panel. So you're gonna push this blue switch down, and you tilt it to the side, and there you go. So now I want to take out the SSD. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold to the right and pull this out. Then I'm gonna remove the side panel. So I'm gonna pull on this, and on this, and I'll remove the side panel. Next, I want to go ahead and pull this switch to the left. And this should enable us to access the RAM slots. To put the RAM in, I'm going to have to open these white slots here. And then I want to take my RAM and make sure it's pointing this way, left. And then put it in until you hear 2 clips. So now with my 2 fingers, I'm going to go ahead and push it down. And you should hear 2 clicks. So now you're going to put the DVD drive back in. So as you can see, you have to insert these into the side. You're going to push down. And then, next you just switch this to the lock. Done. Now you're going to put the SSD back in, or hard drive, whatever you have. And you're going to push it in. Done. Now you're going to put the side panel in. As you can see, I'm going to connect it to the sides here. Close this in, close this. So you have the side panel in. Lastly, you're going to put the case in and then just shift it to the right. Done. So when you boot up your computer, you should have seen some message that said like RAM has been increased. Don't worry, it'll automatically boot right in. If you don't see that, then check your RAM and see if you've put it in properly. And let me show you that I've installed my RAM. So I want to go ahead and search here. I want to search at the task manager here. As you can see, my CPU is right here, and my memory, as you can see, 16 gigabytes DDR3. So it's working. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. If you didn't like it, tell me in the comments on how we can improve in the next video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!